In this video segment, we're going to talk about how to create comments in a Google document and also how to make a copy of a document into our Drive. When I'm looking at the Google website, I can tell that I'm logged in by looking in the top right-hand corner, and I can see my student account showing there. I'm going to click on the Apps menu, and when I do, I'm going to go down and click on Drive. And when we're looking at Drive, you'll see that I have several documents in a folder that belong to me. I created them and they're under my Drive. If I click on Shared with Me, right on the left-hand side underneath Create My Drive, Shared with Me, I'll see that I have two files that my teacher has shared with me. The first one is called Wearable Technology, and I'm going to go ahead and click on that link. And when it opens up, I'm going to see that I have a document here with an article about how to wear contact lenses to help check with glucose sensors and some different things for my health. If I read through this article and my teacher asks me to make a comment on what I've read, I can highlight a sentence that catches my attention and that I want to comment on. And once it's highlighted, I'm going to go to the menu bar and click on Insert and Comment. And you'll notice that a little comment window comes up over on the side, and my name is Test Student. And so I can add my comments in here. And I'm just going to say I think this is a great form of health monitoring, and I'm going to click on Comment. When I do, I can see that my comment has been added over on the right-hand side of the screen. Anyone else could come in and click on that and reply to my comment. So one of your classmates or your teacher might reply to that. And you can just click on those little three-dotted menu, and I can edit if I want to go back in and change what I posted to start with, or I can delete it entirely. So when the teacher has this document that we've shared, then she will be able to see my comments. It's a pretty nifty way to share comments. When you print, it will not print out the comments or anything highlighted in the article. I'm going to close this document out, and I'm going to remember to close by using the tabs. If I use the red X on the top right-hand corner, then I'll close Google Chrome down totally. So I'm just going to close out that tab, and I'll be back to the shared documents that I have. Now, I really thought this document was intriguing. I loved it, and I would like to save a copy, because anything that is shared with me could be temporary. If my teacher decided not to share it any longer, then I wouldn't have the original document. So I can always do make a copy, and it's kind of similar to a save as in Word. If I open up this document and I go to File and I choose Make a Copy, it's going to ask me what would you like to name this document, and I'm going to just leave it Copy of Wearable Technology, and I'm going to click on OK. Now I'm going to notice that I still have both tabs open. One says Copy of Wearable Technology. The other says Wearable Technology. And when I come back to my Drive, I'm going to notice that I now have Copy of Wearable Technology is saved in my Drive. That way, that can't be deleted unless I delete it. And at any time, I can rename that and take the copy of off of the title by clicking on a right click. And you can remember on a Chromebook, it'll be a two-finger tap. But I'm going to right click and then go down to rename. And all I'm going to do now is take off the words copy of and click on OK. And I've just made a copy of a document. It's automatically saved in my Drive, and I could then file it away in a science folder if I want to, or I could create a folder of just interesting articles to read later. Hope this has helped. We'll be sharing more Google tools with you soon. Thank you.